affirmative's first argument is resource mining, but they said the scientists aren't sure what's exactly inside asteroids. According to the NASA, there's 3 types of asteroids: a C-type, which is made of mostly carbon; S-types, which are made of metallic iron and silicates; and M-type, which has metallic iron. None of these are worth that much to the United States. Plus, they say that platinum could be worth trillions of dollars, but this does not follow the basic standard of economics: supply and demand. Because there's an increase in platinum supply, platinum's not going to be worth as much as it was used to, so you can't predict the amount that you're going to be earning compared to how much you're going to be spending to mine it. So you can cross out that point. And then the near-Earth objects is also part of their asteroid point, but near-Earth objects are closer than the moon, but near-Earth objects are traveling at speeds of like 100 kilometers per second, so I don't see how that is definitely more plausible than the moon. And the second point is protecting the human race, and notice how they say human race, not protecting the United States, so therefore we should be protecting the world, and therefore everyone should be involved in this. Our opponent's plan is colonization, but they don't give a specific point where we're going to colonize. They just say that we should go look for colonization. So this does not imply that they're solving the problem of overpopulation, which is a good contention. And spin-off technologies can be possible without space exploration. We can research without going into space. Their agricultural satellites are not exploration. Their plan involves increase of $18 billion over 10 years, but we can't predict the federal budget in 10 years. How do you know that the federal budget won't go through another downturn, economic downturn? How do you know that we can still afford this $2 billion a year increase? In addition, although they say that we're taking money from the withdrawal of troops, but we're already in $15 trillion of debt. By withdrawing from troops, we're just lessening the debt that we owe to countries like China, Russia, and Saudi Arabia, countries that don't have our interests in mind, best interests in mind. So even though we're saving money by withdrawing troops, we still are in debt, and this debt affects every citizen of America. Their resource mining was basically based off of John C. Lewis's book, Mining the Sky, which was published in 1997. And my NASA card was way more recent and more advanced than his 1997 book. The proponent brings up Christopher Columbus and how he needed to explore, but even he had to bring something of monetary value back to Spain in order to get more funding. And this should work with NASA too. But resource mining doesn't mean that it's just definitely monetary value. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, as the debate slowly draws to a close, I would like to give you some voting pointers. In order for the affirmative to win this debate, it must provide substantial evidence to why there needs to be a change in the status quo, not why space exploration is good. Their plan. We're proving that the federal government increase is not desirable. We can prove that space exploration is good, but we're not disagreeing with the federal government. So, the United States doesn't own space, so give others a chance and vote negative.